Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen for 20th April 2021. So this analysis is for 20th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 21st April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the present chart of Euro Japanese Yen, and you can see that I'm using the most loved time frame on Forex. It's 4 hours time frame. Okay, and you can see that market was in consolidation. Okay, market was in consolidation, and right now we can see that there is a sudden spike, and there is good amount of volume in the market, and market is going up. Market has crossed this consolidation level. Okay, so what we should do now? Should we go ahead and buy right here? Let's try to find out. Okay, so let me zoom out the chart first. So this is the overall trend of the EURJPY. As we all know, EURJPY is an uptrend. The overall the trend of the market is very much bullish, but we can see that but market was unable to cross this particular level. Okay, and this level is acting as a resistance for the market since 18th March. Okay, since 18th March for the last 1 month, this level is acting as a resistance for the market. So whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing selling pressure from above, and as a result it had to come down. So market was struggling very hard, but right now we can see that market has crossed this level with great amount of volume. Just look at the size of this candle. If you just look at the size of these two candles, you can easily tell that yes, bulls are very much aggressive and they have taken the charge and crossed the market. Okay, but that doesn't mean that you should buy right away. Okay, excuse me. Sorry. As you all know, I do not get time to edit my videos, so I'm extremely sorry. And this is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart of EURJPY, and as you can see that weekly chart is also telling us the same story. Okay, this level was acting as a resistance, and market has crossed this level on the weekly chart as well. So market has crossed a crucial resistance on the chart. So whenever market crosses a crucial level, then we should wait for some time. We should give some amount of time to the market, okay, so that we get a confirmation that yes, it is a breakout and not a fake out. Because suppose you buy right here, seeing this candle, if you buy right here, okay, there is a possibility the market will come down again, because see, this level is a very strong resistance. This was a very strong resistance for a market, so there's a possibility the market will come down. So if you buy right here, then it is very risky, and you'll be going against the trading discipline as well. Because if you purchase, or if you execute the buy order, then your stop loss will be here. Your stop loss cannot be this big. Okay, your stop loss cannot be this big. As I always say, before executing any order, you should always look for the area of value. Whenever you'll be going for buying opportunity, your area of value is always near the support. Okay, in this case, this black line will be acting as a support, because this is a resistance. Okay, so let the market settle above this level for some time. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only you should go for a buy order in this level. So what you should be doing now, as you can see, stochastic RSI is also in the overbought zone. So let the stochastic RSI come down to the oversold zone. When stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, then just look at the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is in oversold zone and it is about to go up, it is an oscillating indicator. It will go up down from overbought to oversold, oversold to overbought. So when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, it will be going up again. Just look at the position of the price. If you see that price is trading above this black line, okay, or this resistance level, you simply go ahead and click on the buy button, because it will be a confirmation to us that the resistance has become the support now, and we can go for the buy order. Once resistance becomes the support, then you have found the area of value. Then you can go ahead, place the buy order, and your stop loss will be here or just below this candle. So this is how you need to find the area of value and find the best trading opportunities. Okay. So this is a strategy that you can follow for EURJPY for 20th April 2021. Hopefully you have understood. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.